Now we come to question number 4. Find the ratio in which the segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1 and 6. Now here AB is the line. A coordinates of A are minus 3, 10 and coordinates of B are 6, minus 8. There is a point P on AB, divides AB in K ratio 1 and the coordinates of P are minus 1 and 6. Now minus 1 x coordinate, x is equal to k into 6 plus 1 into minus 3. K into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now by solving this we get the value of k from here. It becomes k is equal to 2 by 7. How we have done this? This is the section formula. This is the section formula. Now how we have done this? See. Minus 1 into k into 6 plus 1 into minus 3 upon k plus 1 for x coordinate. And for y coordinate 6. Y is 6. It is k into minus 8 plus 1 into 10. K into minus 8 plus 1 into 10 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 6 y coordinate. Now solving equation number 1. Cross multiply. Minus into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. 6k minus 3. Then minus k into minus 1 plus 6k minus 3 minus k. 6k we take on left side. Minus k minus 6k is equal to minus 3 plus 1. K becomes equal to 2 by 7. Now solving the equation number 2. 6 into k plus 1. 6 into k plus 1 plus minus 8k plus 10. Now solve this. 6k plus 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. 6k plus 8k 10 minus 6. Again we get k is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore the required ratio here was 2 ratio 7. 2 ratio 7. Now we come to the next question. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the segment joining A 1 minus 5 and B minus 4 5 is divided by x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the points of division. Now let point of division be P because it is lying on x-axis. Therefore its y coordinate will be 0 and ratio in which AB is divided by P is k ratio 1. Now coordinates of P will be, here y coordinate is given, therefore we can solve it for y coordinate to find the value of k. It will be 0 is equal to k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1. K into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now on cross multiplying we get 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. When it is multiplied by 0 then it will become 0 on the right side. From here we get k is equal to 1. So required ratio will be 1 ratio 1. Here k we have got 1. That is P is midpoint of AB. Because the ratio has become 1 ratio 1, therefore P is the midpoint of AB. So now we will find the value of x. We will apply the midpoint formula for it. That is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 means 1 plus into minus 4 divided by 2 is x. Means 1 minus 4 divided by 2 is x. It is minus 3 by 2. Therefore coordinates of P are minus 3 by 2 0.